Ready and action. After school, Tim's was sort of our first place to go. We both loved going. Yeah, we'd have the same thing every single time, so they always sort of knew what we wanted when we'd walk in. Why don't we start with hello? Can we also go hello? So your dominant hand, so your other hand, cut your elbow and as if the sun were coming up. Mackenzie, how would you say sorry? So sorry, fist to your chest and then a circular motion. So thank you. So just flat hand to your chin. Thank you. Okay. Donuts. I don't know. Kind of cross your fingers. Donuts. It's good. Solid snack. Okay. Timbits. I love Timbits. So what's the sign? So Timbits to your eye. Next. 3, 2, 1. So what is this? So it's two fists on top of each other, as if you're grinding coffee. And then what's the double? 2 Ds, so it's 2 Ds. So milk or cream, sugar or sweetener. Can we put it in?
Go for it.
Yes. Woo. We need more. Happy birthday. Tea. Do you like tea? What's the sign? So if you, so as if you were steeping a tea bag. So you can either go up or down or swirl it. How would you ask if the order's right? Order, then right. We'll see you soon. Bye!